Continuous verification in property operations exists for one reason: to create evidence that cannot break. The legacy model treats a tenant photo as compliance. It checks the appearance, not the event. It accepts a claim as evidence, and it marks the task as complete. The operator inherits the exposure without even seeing it. Months later, it becomes a dispute or a preventable HVAC failure. This is the structural flaw the industry can no longer ignore. A record must prove when the change happened. It must prove what was installed. It must prove scene integrity. Anything less is operational risk disguised as workflow. FilterSync applies continuity verification to validate the event itself. It confirms timing, it confirms installation, it confirms integrity of the evidence so the record can stand on its own. This creates evidence-grade data that survives scrutiny and removes the operator from exposure. It's a new evidentiary requirement for property operations. Any system that cannot produce integrity-verified proof will not survive the next failure. FilterSync is the standard because the work demands it.